our Valentine's Day special of plant care and cocktails. Woo! I'm Liv.
And I'm Allie.
And today we're going to give you plant care tips about the Hoya Sweetheart.
And then I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to make a beautiful pink, flirty, and fun raspberry lemon drop.
Yum. Oh. So the Hoya Sweetheart that we carry at Cellular Plants is a leaf cutting of the Hoya Carry. And the Hoya Carry is a vining succulent plant. The Hoya Sweetheart that you will get is not the Hoya Carry that has the vines to it. It'll just be this cute little leaf and it will stay this size throughout its whole life.
So it's like a little teacup chihuahua.
Exactly.
You just gotta keep it in its little puppy form.
It's no Great Dane.
It's no horse dog. Perfect.
So what are we doing here?
Okay, so I'm just getting our muddling station ready to go. I've got the equivalent of a half lemon in here and then just 4 raspberries to give it that color because you're gonna come in with more raspberry flavor at the end with our Raspberries Rose Kombucha that we have from our friends at Sia Kombucha Company. So I'm also going to be adding 2 sugar packets.
So while Allie muddles, I'll talk a little bit about the light and the water for this plant. So this plant needs bright indirect light and mixed direct light. So if you just put it in a southern facing window. And in terms of water, you're going to want to water it every 2 to 3 weeks.
Only 2 to 3, it's very low maintenance.
You want to neglect this plant. What I do is I just don't look at it for a couple weeks and I look at it again and give it some water.
I just don't look at it.
So that is the water and light for this one.
Super easy.
Super easy. And then in terms of soil for this, I used a cactus succulent soil, so it's a really porous soil and it allows the water to drain through because again, you don't want to overwater it.
Don't want to overwater it or overlook at it.
Exactly. Just leave it alone.
Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone.
And then for the temperature, if you're happy, your Hoya Sweetheart is happy. It loves room temperature. So just throw it in a corner and don't look at it. Give it room temperature.
Room temperature, maybe some fuzzy socks. I don't know.
Yep, exactly.
Not the space heater though. I love the space heater.
No space heater and no drafts. Just like you.
Just like you. Perfect. So I'm over here and now I add the ice. I'm done muddling. I got that nice pink color in the bottom of it. And then I'm going in with our citrus vodka. I'm using 2 ounces this time because it is a martini.
I love that little, what is that called?
This little, it's a measuring cup.
Simple.
Simple and chicken. Perfect. And then I'm gonna go in and start shaking.
Easy.
Breezy.
Beautiful.
Hoya Sweetheart. Wow. Okay. Lovely. Okay. So now I have my mixture here. And one thing I love about lemon drops is that they have a sugar rim. So in order to get the sugar rim, it's super easy. I have a plate of sugar here. You just want it to be the diameter of the glass you will be using. And then you just rim it with a little bit of lemon juice to make sure that it sticks. And we go.
Plop it in there.
Plop it, but you want to make it kind of like level.
So this is a lady's drink.
It's a lady's drink. Give it a knock, 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 knock. And strain her on over.
Raspberry.
Rose. Perfect. And now, top her on off. So yes, we have the Raspberry Rose Kombucha from Sia Kombucha Company. They're located, guys. I've already drinking like half a bottle. This is our display, but this one's the one I'm using. They make their own raspberry and rose syrup, which is just so dope. It's also really low in sugar. I think this whole bottle is about 12 grams.
So it's perfect when you want to add that to a cocktail. It
Exactly.
already has 2 sugar packets.
we can't be overloading the sugar.
Yeah.
They're just really good. So they're over in Pike's Place Market and you can find them over in Honest Biscuit. That's where they sell their stuff. They also have a really great website and yeah, so you can get it directly shipped to you. It's lovely.
Beautiful.
And perfect for this drink. Because look at the color. See the little color at the bottom.
Perfect Valentine's Day drink.
I would say so.
Oh.
The only thing that I can imagine that would make this better is a lemon twist. So here we go.
Well, twist this lemon. I have some great news for all of you. The past couple plants we showed you are toxic to animals. This one is not. So Snowball and Tito and Fido, they're all good to go.
Perfect. Yay. So if they can just chomp on them all you want, and then they'll drain your bank because you have to buy more Hoya Sweethearts from cellar door. But
That's what we do.
yeah, we don't like little bites.
We're not interior designers, but a half-eaten Hoya is not cute.
Not the good Hoya.
Exactly.
Okay.
Gorgeous.
There we have it. Look together. Oh my god.
Love it.
Well, thanks for tuning in. I will be posting all of the ingredients and such for the raspberry cosmopolitan, raspberry lemon drop in the description. Live over here.
I will put the links to the Hoya Sweetheart, and comment below if you want to see any other cocktails or if you want to see any other plants that are featured. So thank you for tuning in to our Valentine's Day special, and from everyone at Cellar Door Plants,
Happy Valentine's Day.